Okay, a lot of people are dealing with the aftermath of a devastating storm.
Oh, yeah, but before Hurricane Beryl even passed, for sure. Loneliness really impacted so many people, and we have Dr. V here with us this morning talking about people. One, I mean, obviously people are feeling lonely right now. You're without power already as it is, and then I mean, this exacerbates people who were already feeling this feeling.
Double whammy.
Yeah, well, and for so many of us, I will put myself in there, we rely on even just the noise of y'all talking in the background or music. Like, we connect with you, and if we haven't been able to be watching you, you can start to feel that absence in your life.
Yeah.
It's National Cheer Up the Lonely Day.
Aww.
So this is a real thing. It has physical and emotional pros and cons of kind of working on these things.
Well, let's talk about those pros. How can we help somebody?
So the pros of being able to reach out to someone or ask for help when you're feeling lonely are that you're going to elevate your cognitive abilities. You're going to sleep better. You're going to take care of your health better. Anytime someone is going to be reaching out to you to check up on you, hey, how are you doing? And you actually get to talk about how you're doing. There's somebody online that is always asking, how are you doing? Really? Because we can always say fine. This is your opportunity to reach out to someone and say, no, I'm going to hold space for you. I really want to hear how you're doing, what's going on in your life, and if there's any way that I can support you or help you through it, I'd love to do that. Also making sure that you are asking for that help, because not everybody does, even when they really need it. They might either feel like either they have a victim mentality and nobody's going to help me, so I'm not going to reach out anyway, or they just truly have in their life not felt supported. Then, of course, there are some emotional issues like stress and anxiety and depression that are through the roof for so many people right now, and they don't even know really who to talk to, how to reach out to them. It's very important.
And that can affect their physical health really badly, right?
Very much. Increased stress levels, again, not sleeping well, not eating well. And if you are already on the road to Alzheimer's, this is going to exacerate that so much more.
And you see that, I mean, even weaken their immune system. It can cause heart problems. It increases their risk of death. We got to cheer people up, Delon.
Yes, reach out to everyone that you know that could be maybe on their own and feeling lonely, because not being alone and being lonely are two different things. But for today, it is to call awareness, especially post-Beryl. My goodness, so many people have been alone. And I've heard my mother-in-law staying with us. She's a saint. She's wonderful. But she's checking in with all these other, you know, there are other widows, other lonely people out there that she's checking in with, and I know that they appreciate getting a call. So it's an easy thing to do to reach out to help them to cheer up today, especially when health is at risk.
Yeah, you have to, because I mean, everybody's already stressed out. You're already hot. You don't have power. And then don't let you be somebody who was already lonely or irritated as it was, too, and then it's just exacerbated it.
So if you've never needed a nudge to call someone or to say, hey, I'm lonely, let's go do something, let's go outside, or maybe not outside, let me just spray you with a water hose, I don't know, let's do something. Anything. Now's the day to do it.
All right.
Thanks, Dr. V.
Thanks, guys.
All right, coming up next is Red Flag.